Okay, here's the 1955 Thunderbird we're doing underneath. I got like 5 people wanting to see this thing and I keep not having a chance to get it up here. It's extremely solid. There's no rust through on this whatsoever. It's all minor surface, and I'll go through the opposite way. If you really want to take it to the next level, I'd probably do a dry ice underneath here and get through it. We'll clean this up. I just noticed that. We'll clean that up and put them all in there with some zip ties and tape it nice.